Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I want to show you how to import uh, stock data into Google Sheets because I myself use Google Sheets a lot for stocks because it is very helpful. It's a very helpful platform. And you can already see that in the templates, there is stuff that will help you to get some uh, prices and other stuff, even very complex stuff. This is actually a um, very nice little screener here. But that's not what we're going to do. We are going to create a new spreadsheet because we want to ultimately get the if we go to financials here, we want to get the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Uh, they also have a lot of interesting ratios, but for now we only need the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. So now that we have that, we don't actually have anything yet. But the thing we're going to use is import HTML. So it's first asking us for the URL. So what we're going to do is copy the URL and put it in quotation marks. And then we need the query, the index, and the locale. So first of all, we'll just type table in quotations, and then index, we want the first index, the first table on this page, which is right here. So we'll just say 1. Now, as you can see, that gave me the entire net income statement, cash flow statement, right? But let's move this down a bit to here. And we want to say that we want to upload this data for whatever stock is in here. So instead of Apple here, we're going to type an and symbol and an and symbol. Then we're going to close off quotes here and here. Sorry, I just deleted the two and symbols. And in between those two and symbols, we're going to click the Apple here. We're going to hit enter, and nothing should change. But if we enter a new stock, then everything should just load in like that. Now the next parameter we want to do is not only Microsoft, but also whether it's income statement, balance sheet, or cash flow statement. And we can do ratios as well, because it's actually not that hard. So let's now move this down one more, maybe even two more. And here, let's just merge these cells, click data. Let's also merge, let's put this Microsoft up here, and let's merge these cells. So let me just do a bit of formatting, and let's just do this. So here we're going to click on data, data validation, add a rule, drop down. Option 1 is going to be, we need the exact things, so this has to be income, but it's actually financials, so we'll do financials, so financials. The next one we'll do, we need to always do this one here, so we'll do balance sheet like that. Then we'll add another option for cash flow. Just click on cash flow. It's actually cash flow statement. So there we go. And ratios, I suppose, is just ratios. I just want to test another thing. There's a slash here normally, but what if we don't put the slash? What if we don't? What if we don't enter the slash? What will happen? Do we need to enter the slash? What happened? Sorry guys. Let's just go to Apple. Financials. Ratios. Oh yeah. And net income is just going to be a slash for now. This is going to be ratios. Like that. Okay, and I want to test if I don't put the slash here. Okay, it will still load. So, hit enter here, and I just want to go to the advanced options and make this an arrow, because else it is very ugly. And let's put it to the center. Let's select this, and here, instead of cash flow statement, we'll end this off and click and, which is right there, and this cell, and we'll hit enter. So as you can see, it gave us the income statement here. If we select balance sheet, it's going to give us the balance sheet. And if we select cash flow statement, it's going to give us the cash flow statement, ratios, ratios. But what if we want each of these to have a real name? So that's a little bit more difficult, but we will definitely manage. So let's just rename these to how we would want to name these. Let's just go cash flow statement and ratios like that. Now here we'll just go income statement, and you'll see it will say error. So here we need to actually get a custom formula, but first of all, let's go over here and type if this equals income statement statement, then say slash, then say slash, else if let's just go ahead and end it off right here. And first of all, let's do this income statement. Then we have just balance sheet. Then we have cash flow statement. Flow statement. And then we have ratios. Right? And if this equals this, then say slash, then let's go ifs here, and then we need a, here we need a semicolon, like this. Okay, so that should work. Now let's go A4 equals this. Then we will say balance sheet like this. Then if A4 equals this, then we will say we need to just fix this cash flow statement. Right, so if this equals this, then we go cash flow. What was the cash flow? It's cash flow statement like this. cash flow statement like that. And if A4 finally equals ratios, then we will say ratios. Hit enter, and you can see that it equals income statement. Now it equals balance sheet. Now it equals cash flow statement. Why did it cash? Oh, we don't have a gap here. We have cash flow statement, and then if we do finally ratios, we have ratios. So I hope the ratios is like that. Okay. So now instead of A4, we can just select this, hit enter, see that income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, and ratios all works. Now we can all just put this into some white ink, and there you guys go. So you can also format it a bit, but that's all up to you. Hey guys, this is me from the future. I'm just here to tell you that the link to this spreadsheet will be down in the comments section. Please click on File, make a copy, and that's how you upload it into your own Google Sheets. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.